back to Hit for Hit, and for this set we have Paul, who is Peach, versus Firework, who is Sheik. So, hope you enjoy. And we're going to Congo Jungle 64. I think he's also going to be using Zelda as well, so. But I'll hope to see like more from the Sheik. Alright. Jabs. Oh yeah, also if you don't know, for my tournament I also have Yoshi's Island 64, this stage, and Peach's Castle, so as well. Alright. Kinda even. Forward throw. A good thing about Zelda, I feel like, forward and back throws. But there goes Paul. Drowning, you could say. With a jab into Nair. That was really good, but Paul SD. With the back throw into the forward air, and this time not SDing. Alright, the Nair. Peach for this stage, I mean, that's why like you'd probably want a small stage so you can kill. Like small or medium stages are better than big stages for Peach. Just because like so early. She can kill so early, but like for this stage kinda hard. Ooh, we see the Sheik. We see an SD from the Sheik. And the third SD. Ooh, the barrel helping. Ooh, maybe if it was ultimate, it would hit. Alright, the jabs. Ooh. Paul taking inspiration from DK with the nairing out of the combos. Oh, that's one thing you should know about Sheik. Do not use side B. Went for that up smash because the tip at up smash kills very early. I was playing one time against the Peach and it killed on FD, and after the hit it got Peach to like 90. So it's extremely bad. Ooh, I don't know why Paul did that for him, but ooh. Forward smash, not the best move, but yeah. Ooh. Jab into the Nair. That's something that Fox can do at like 200, except his jab, you can have to like jab and then run a little bit, then short hop Nair. But if you get higher, then like at like 250 or like 300, you could just jab and then jump Nair. But like for Sheik, around like 150 I guess, if you do jab into Nair, you could just like jump and then jab instead of running a bit forward. Ooh, Nair, into jab, into Nair. It's not completely out of Peach's favor. Peach is pretty good. Ooh. Ooh. Now it's looking a little bit more unlikely. But, unfortunately. Can Paul take another stop? Or will this be a 2-stop from Firework? Forward tilt. Could have been an up smash or another forward tilt. But that's still dead. Firework takes it.